Welcome to Trains with Jake. Today I'll be doing an unboxing of the new Intermountain covered hoppers. Let's begin. Good packaging. Easy to get into. Get you focused on that. Here we go. So I'm just gonna slowly spin it. Pause it anytime you want to. Look at the detail. And I'll do the same with the BN Heritage unit. I love the fact that it's already got metal couplers on it. That's one thing underneath of it. Give you a close-up of all the lettering on the side of it. Try to hold it still long enough for you to read it. So I'm going to give you a top view of it. Pretty good weighted. So that's the Great Northern Railway Heritage Unit, the BNSF. Let's do the BN. Welcome back. Sorry about that. I was having issues with the box and stuff. So I just went ahead and paused so you didn't have to deal with that. But I'm going to do the same thing as I did with the Great Northern. I'm going to do a slow spin of it. Then I'll zoom in on the lettering. Right back, I'm going to bring up my skill trains one. We'll be right back. Welcome back. So, I have the skill trains version of the exact same hopper and the Intermountain one I just opened to the right. So we're going to do a little bit of comparing. So one of the first things I noticed is just, I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it is just the Intermountain's just a slightly shade darker, which isn't a huge deal. But at the top, they both have see-through walkways. One of the huge things I notice is kind of how the top pieces are a little bit different. So I'm going to keep in mind the Skeletrines one's at the top. See the difference right there. In the Skeletrines ones, it's kind of more of a silver shade, a color than the gray at the Intermountain. The warnings are a little bit placed a little bit different spots for the most part. So another thing I noticed is the Skeletrons one has a yellow hand bar compared to the silver. And the warning, the labeling on it, for the middle wordings, placed differently compared to the two. The yellow markers are on the back sides on the Skeletrons compared to the Intermountain. I don't know if you noticed, but the hatches at the bottom, they're bigger on the Intermountain compared to the Skeletrons. But in my opinion, these are really cool looking models. The Intermountain feels like it weighs a little bit more compared to the Skeletrons one. I'm gonna go grab a scale and I'll be right back. Welcome back. I brought my scale, so I'm gonna put the Skeletrons covered hopper on first to get a weight. The Skeletrons covered hopper weighs 4.4 ounces, and I've already weighed this one, but it weighs almost a whole ounce more. Okay, it does weigh an ounce more. It was weighing 5.3 earlier, so now it's giving me the 0.4. So the Intermountain does weigh a little bit more than the Skeletrons, which I see no harm in, unless you're going up steep grades and stuff. Then that'd be an issue where you're gonna do a whole train, you just don't have enough traction. But it's not a huge difference, and I think that having a little bit more would keep it on tracks more. So if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you want to stay connected, hit the bell icon and subscribe. Enjoy the rest of your day.